Hey there, food lovers. We have a great recipe for vegan chili over at therustypan.com. There's a link directly to the website in the show notes below, so be sure to check that out. Here's what you'll need to make this vegan chili recipe. You'll need 1 cup of dry lentils, 1 can of black beans, 1 diced onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 diced red bell pepper, 1 diced green bell pepper, 1 jalapeno pepper, or if you don't like the spice, you could leave it out, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 2 cups of vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and then, of course, salt and pepper to taste. Really, this is an excellent recipe. It is packed with protein from the lentils and the black beans. You can customize this recipe, try adding other things to it. It's always good to experiment with your recipes, but this is a good starting point to come up with a vegan chili recipe of your own if you don't want to follow this exactly as it's written. The directions for exactly how to make this vegan chili recipe can be found over at therustypan.com website, and there is a link in the show notes below that will take you directly to that recipe. So check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this recipe. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and go over to therustypan.com for more recipes. As always, thank you for watching and happy cooking.